Learn by singing.
Hi friends, I am Genesis and today together with my friends and you, we are going to learn about four animals. So let's start.
This animal is a cow. This animal is a cow.
Do you remember what is this animal?
This animal is a sheep. This animal is a sheep.
Do you remember what is this animal?
This animal is a horse. This animal is a horse.
Do you remember what is this animal? This animal is a chicken. This animal is a chicken. This animal is a dog. This animal is a dog. Do you remember what is this animal?
This animal is a rabbit. This animal is a rabbit.
Do you remember what is this animal?
Oh, nothing like being in home. Oh, hello everyone. I didn't see you were there. It's absolutely boiling today. And with friend Aisha, it's snowing. Come on. Oh, she's Aisha and is painting. Do you know why the dog's painting?
All dogs pant from time to time, some more than others. Painting helps them regulate their body temperature because, unlike humans, dogs only have sweat glands in their paws. In other words, they don't actually sweat.
Oh, Aisha, you are so cute. Hey guys, I have an idea. Do you want to meet my other animal friends? Yes? Then come with me.
Look at this little fella. His name is Black. He provides to a wild family cat. He's so beautiful. We know that the cat family has developed a diversified since many years ago. Felines are very easy to distinguish by their qualities, characteristics, and even their habits. Moreover, they are the only animals that have decided to domesticate themselves.
And now we have the pigs. The pigs are so beautiful animals.
A fully grown pig is capable of drinking more than 5 liters of water per day. No pig can bend its neck upward. The cause is the way its lateral vertebra is connected to the skull.
And finally, we have the chickens. The chickens are very important animals in the life of the human.
Chickens can recognize up to 100 faces. Chickens don't just recognize other chickens. These faces include those of humans. Chickens even remember positive or negative experience with the faces they recognize and pass that information on to members of their flocks.
So now let's sing the song about Song of the Animal. So let's sing, my friends.
The animals sound like this. Dog quack 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 and quack 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 quack. Cow moo. Horse Quack. Cat. Meow, 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 meow. Big I. Let's go. Besiegify.
That's all for today. See you soon, my friends.